You get one of those days where things just don't go to plan. Supposed to be heading up Hare's Gap. Here we are in Tollymore Forest Park because the roads were impassable. It's just one of those things, you go out for a hike, you never know what you're going to be up to. Okay, so change of plans today. We are currently in Tollymore Forest Park and we are going to do the mountain trail. It's roughly 10.5 kilometres. Takes you up through a pine forest, following the river and then up into the hills. It's a nice wee circular loop, so yeah, get the steps in. You can see behind me there's been a lot of rainfall over the past couple of days and yeah, the river is flowing. Yeah, hopefully that's only one of those. This is Boundary Bridge. This is where I'm crossing the river, and then I believe from here on in it starts to make an ascent. Yeah, starting to move uphill now. Starting to rain a wee bit, so don't want to get soaked. Swapping the layers. Much foggier now. Much mistier. Good example there of the power of nature, what the recent storms have been doing. They're becoming more and more frequent. I must say, I'm actually quite glad the planned route didn't work out, because this is actually lovely. I've been to Tollymore loads of times, but that's the first time I've actually done the full boundary. I would strongly recommend it.